Sunlight illuminates our cities by day, while nightfall adorns them with a dazzling glow. Zhongxin General Electric, illuminating the future. Through tireless effort, we light up countless homes. Undaunted by challenges, we remain true to our original mission. Our products, we compose a beautiful melody. In our electrical prowess, we write a magnificent chapter. Innovation drives the future of our industry, forging the Zhongxin General Electric brand. Sichuan Zhongxin General Electric Power Company Limited is located in Xinjin District, Chengdu City. We are a high-end power equipment integrating solution provider, specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of transformers, high and low voltage switchgear, distribution control equipment, and smart grid data platforms. Our factory in Tianfu Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park, with 3 million kVA production capacity annually, is featuring intelligent, digitalized production workshops equipped with high-precision automated production lines and advanced industry equipment. Since our inception, we have upheld core values that prioritize customers as our foundation, talent as our essence, innovation as our driving force, and quality as our life. We are dedicated to our mission of manufacturing premium power equipment and empowering green energy for carbon neutrality, continuously refining our expertise in the electric power industry. Our company has earned numerous national and industry certifications, including environmental management, quality management, and occupational health and safety management systems. We've been recognized as a Sichuan high-tech enterprise, a specialized and innovative SME, and a technological innovation seed enterprise. We are also certified as an industry education integration internship base and a Sichuan Province carbon neutrality achievement transformation base. Our seasoned R&D team has established a corporate technology center and an expert academician workstation. We've also formed joint laboratories with renowned domestic electrical engineering colleges, resulting in 28 national invention patents, 32 utility model patents, and multiple product certifications. Products are the core of our enterprise. We invest in R&D with high standards and introduce advanced German technology. To meet diverse customer needs, we produce various types of power transmission and distribution equipment. Our dry-type transformers, oil-immersed transformers, special transformers, compact substations, and high and low voltage switchgear are widely used in energy, construction, and other fields. We've established comprehensive strategic partnerships with State Grid, China's Southern Power Grid, well-known domestic enterprises, and major real estate developers. Our products are sold nationwide and exported to Central Asia, Europe, America by actively participating in the Belt and Road Initiative. By creating value through unwavering persistence, Zhongxin General Electric has earned recognition and respect in both domestic and international markets. This journey has been challenging, but we've transformed our concept of product quality and service quality into action. We persistently pursue excellence for our employees, customers, and society by constantly achieving our dreams and soaring to new heights. The development and promotion of our company's smart cloud platform has successfully aligned us with the trend of intelligent transformation and digital conversion. This positions us to embrace the new era of smart power systems. Staying true to our original aspirations and remembering our goals, aim to lead domestically and join the ranks of world-class electrical enterprises. Guided by technology and operating with intelligence, we focus on smart distribution, manufacturing premium power equipment, and empowering green energy for carbon neutrality. By enhancing value through service and transforming the future through digitalization, Sichuan Zhongxin General Electric Energy Company Limited will continue to pursue excellence and innovation, be committed to contributing our corporate strengths by achieving peak carbon emissions, carbon neutrality, and realize sustainable development.